We are across the street from where the incident was first reported around 11 o'clock last night. Take a look at the images we got. We are on West 6th Street between Avenues U and T here in the Gravesend section of Brooklyn. Firefighters were initially called for reports of a person who was unconscious. When they got here, though, they found several other people sick with high levels of carbon monoxide reported inside that home. You can see in the video there the number of fire trucks that responded to the scene. According to FDNY, as many as 12 people were hurt in this. 8 of them were taken to the hospital. 4 others said they did not need medical attention, but we did hear that some of those victims needed to be treated with oxygen masks here at the scene because they had inhaled the substance. I spoke with a resident nearby who described what he saw. Take a listen.
Yes, it was right here.
So you saw it?
I saw this, yeah.
What did you see?
I see this emergency vehicle were here. So I have a kid's family, so, you know, they were born and raised here. So it's a concern, yeah.
It really is a concern. So here are some of the things you should be paying attention to. There could be signs of carbon monoxide exposure. 1, shortness of breath, dizziness, and blurred vision. Also, older adults and children are more at risk. And the biggest challenge for carbon monoxide is that the gas has no smell, which is why it is always important to ensure that your carbon monoxide detector is working at your home. Firefighters are now still trying to identify the source of this leak. The good news is that they were able to get it all under control around 1:30 this morning. In Brooklyn, I'm Giovanni Diaz, Pix 11 News.